How to make Barclays account online. Now if you want to make your Barclays account online, basically what you have to do is we're talking about creating our bank account online. So go to your respective Barclays website. Depending upon UK, it is barclays.co.uk, and there you also have the US version of the site as well. Now from here you want to go to this bank account option and go to Barclays bank account, and here you can see the bank account details. Just click on the apply button. Here you can click on apply online or apply from the app, or if you want a joint account you can scroll down and select joint account, but I'm just creating an individual account, so I'll just click on the apply now button. Just fill out this particular form right over here, and once you've done this, just click on the continue option, and then it'll ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, so make sure you do that as well. After you've done that, it'll ask you to fill out this questionnaire, first name, last name, everything depending upon your documents. So any information that you enter here must match your documents, because later on you also have to provide your document for verification. And once you've entered this, just check your IDs, set up your account details to log in next time, and once you've done that, confirm the changes, and then just like that, your Barclays bank account will be created. So this way you'll be able to create your Barclays bank account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.